hi everyone! It's Xavier again and si Carlo ulit.
Hi!
And you know this guy?
I'm Kulas. Hello.
No, don't tell your name first. It's supposed to be a trick question, but now you know him. Of course you know him. We saw him down the road and he probably needed help, so we said, why don't we hitch him a ride? No, just kidding. He's a good friend of Carlo and now he's my friend too. So it's our first guest. It's his first time in Ilocos and we're showing him around.
Actually, gumatang and split eh.
God. So we're showing him around. It's our first day. So we went around Laoag and now we're going to Sarat. Okay? So we'll see you later. We'll try to interview him in Ilocano para masaya.
Yes.
Di ba? Mag-interview tayo.
Naimas ti?
Oo. Naimas ti?
Astig.
No!
Oh, Naimas, ano Naimas?
Otong.
Where? Oh, Otong. Otong, oh yeah, Otong. But don't go to Luzon or don't go to Manila and say, magkano Otong. Bastos.
That's so bastos. Or, kuya, magkano yung kabatiti mo? Don't say that in Manila. But say it here, it's fine in Ilocos. So, see you later.
Goodbye.
So, saan tayo ngayon? Secret.
Nasa Sarat kami, sa Monica.
Yeah, that's the... Oh,
Sarat. Kasama namin si Kulas sa loob.
Nasa loob siya.
Our good friend now.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng ano mo, ng t-shirt mo.
Oh, I would like to thank my sponsor, Carlo Couture. You should do my entire outfit. Show my entire outfit. See, it's pink is in.
So we're here in Malacanang of the North. So while Kulas is roaming around and doing his vlog for Ilocos Norte, and this place Malacanang,
Hitingin na namin yung mga tao. Ang daming tao, besh.
daming tao ngayon.
Pakita mo.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah, kasi long weekend ngayon, diba? Araw na, Kadipinan. In English is...
No, tomorrow.
I mean the weekend.
Yeah, the weekend.
Tomorrow. So maraming tao ulit. Mas marami na sa whole week pa. Mas dami pa siya this coming.
Yeah, we're itinerary for the day.
Labor Day long weekend pa.
Yeah, pero punta kami ng Batak Empanada. We'll make empanada.
With class. Becoming Filipino, becoming Ilocano.
Becoming Filipino means the travel with Katokong.
And becoming Ilocano.
The becoming Ilocano. Or the tourism traveler.
Huh?
Yung channel.
Wala akong channel.
Ayan.
XXX.
XXX. XXX, ano yan ah?
Diba?
Yeah.
Kuya.
Sigan yan.
Wait, Triple X.
Yeah, Triple
Kuya X. Professor X.
Professor X. Nahihirapan kasi ako pag makausap ko mga foreigner na ganyan.
Kasi taga-Africa siya.
Taga-Africa ako.
Ako mix ng ganyan. Canadian, tsaka Japanese, tsaka Filipino.
Sana dumami naman yung mga subscribers natin. Yan ang first na guest namin na sumakay sa Monty, no?
Kay Monty, oo. Actually.
Hinihintay na lang namin yung iba. Going up.
Saan ka sa likod?
Yan, sa likod na tayo dalawa. So we're going to get Kulas. No, he is in the top. There, over there.
Opo, ito pala
Going
after a long time.
Yeah.
Ay, nasa Suba tayo.
Oh, saan tayo? Nasaan tayo?
Nasa Suba Sanchez tayo.
Ano ba ginagawa dito sa Suba?
If 4x4 tayo, sa jeep tayo.
Yeah, pero...
Sunboarding, tapos may Himala Sculpture Park pa.
Kailan
diba?
yan?
Ang saya.
Pero kailan?
Sculpture Park.
Ay, sculpture.
Yung Himala sa April 28 dito. Abangan yung artista natin. Hindi ako yun.
Hindi siya yun. At hindi rin yun.
At hindi rin siya yun.
Pero,
maybe.
Pero pipick upin lang namin ulit siya. Alam niyo naman, kawawa lagi siya. So the 4x4 ride, it's 2,500, no?
For 1 hour.
For 1 hour, kasama na yung sunboarding.
Tapos magkakaroon na rin ng camping activity sa Santos. Abangan nyo yun. Launch namin yun sa event natin sa Himala.
Going to get Kulas now.
Let's go, go up.
There we go.
Rally pala tigas na.
sand dune is a geological formation formed by the forces of nature, with the rivers flowing from the Cordillera springing on the sand, and eventually, over thousands of years, built up in this area by the mouth of the main rivers of Ilocos through the force of the winds and the waves from the South China Sea and the Ocean. Thank you.
Alright. And sand dunes is declared as a national geological.
It's a national geological monument. It's up in the desert in the Philippines and Southeast Asia. Share.
We're the last way.
Take picture din sir? Okay na kami. Bagani?
Oh, we're visiting the set of Bagani. You watch Bagani. Set of Bagani. The set of Bagani.